Aerosmith. Crazy. I just don't know how to go to the next one. Oh, there it is. I think I put them in alphabetical order.
Probably.
I know.
Typical BMW front fender.
Front bumper. There you go.
There are these oldies 118s mostly belong to these kids here.
Oh yeah, Bananarama. You see that? Fuel $1.48 a gallon. I have no idea what this one is. I just put a bunch of them on here. It looks like they put them in alphabetical order. So,
Isn't that common, Eileen?
Bon Jovi.
Bon Jovi.
I forgot. All I have to do is 3. Oh, okay.